Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to put pictures in TikTok comments. It's really simple and easy. Open up the TikTok application, open your profile and open any of your video like this. Now tap on this comment section. Simply click on this reply. Now in the left side, you will find this video option. If you click on that, it will open this window where you will have this option to upload a video or picture, or you can record it by just clicking on this record button. If you click on upload and select any of your picture and tap on this next, now from here in the upper side you will find music. If you tap on that, you will be able to change it. After that, tap on next and post. This video will be posted. Now go to your profile again. So as you can see, here is our photo uploaded in the comment section. You can go to that video and you will find the video in the comment section as well. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.